There she is, the beautiful island of Aruba Part 2. Thumbs up if you enjoy. That's it. Bye. I don't know. As you can see, I hope you're enjoying the video. In my first part of the video, I forgot to mention a few things about visiting the butterfly farm. And just to let you know, we walked to the butterfly farm from the RIU Palace. It's a great walk, so take the time, come out and enjoy the activities and the facilities around the area. The butterfly farm itself, it's like a sanctuary for a lot of the species to maintain their survival, you know, in the wild. There is a small fee.
Yeah.
So please, I think it's about, we paid about $16 for the tour, which you also get a tour included. All proceeds go to obviously maintaining the environment for the butterflies and their sanctuary. So take a look around.
Let me go find it.
This is just one of the many things that are close to the RIU Palace, and it also helps a great cause.
Doesn't even look real.
That's why whenever we catch them, it kind of looks like cloudy stuff is on it, and we're actually removing the scales and taking it out. It's kind of ruining it. Yeah, the only difference is that they go in the water first. Most of the time people don't know they also drink crystals. Of course, it's not most. Some of them don't have the cocoon, so they're non-silk type of moths. In those cases, when it transforms, it mostly falls to the ground. They go under the leaves, or they sometimes burrow in the ground, and you know they hide from there. I found them in my sweet potatoes. I love them. Scare of my life.
Oh my god. That's crazy.
Their cocktail.
We collect the caterpillars and their eggs from the dog.
Sorry. Oh, look at that. That's a moth.
Like if you just left it to their own devices with all the plants.
Were you folks waiting on a tour? What?
If you folks were waiting for a tour. No? Okay. Oh, you're the person on the tour. Speaking Nederlands?
Dus u waren niet aan het wachten voor de rondleiding? Nee hoor. Ah, oké. Kom gewoon praten.
Hey.
Dankjewel.
Ja.
Oh, there it is.
Ma'am, were you waiting for a tour?
Oh no, we just finished our tour.
Okay.
Yeah, thank
Enjoy.
you. Thank you.
one.
Hey there, I hope you enjoyed looking at those delicious treats. If you're considering staying at the RIU Palace in Aruba, it's located in Palm Beach area. As a family, this was our second visit to Aruba, but our first visit to the RIU Palace in Aruba. And for what we wanted, this location was perfect. The RIU Palace is located in the Palm Beach area and just very close to some outside activities as well. Lots to do day or night at the hotel, but if you wanted to get away from the hotel and venture out, activities and shops, as you could see from the video, were a short walk away. Also, just to let you know, the RIU Palace, the Antilles, which is next door, is an adult resort. It also has quite a few shops there, which is where I picked up some Aruba aloe and Hot Delights hot sauce, and they're both made right in Aruba. Please don't leave Aruba. You gotta pick some of those up. If you enjoyed this video, I hope it helped you with, whatever decision you're making for your adventure, for your vacation, for your trip, for your family, or just a personal relax mode. I just hope it helped. And if it did, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And enjoy the rest of the video.